Welcome to our FacilitatePro mini tutorial videos. In this video, we'll show you how to use our auto and manual modes for FacilitatePro professional leaders. With FacilitatePro, you have the ability to toggle between two modes: auto for complete ease of use and no hassle meetings, and manual for complete control and customization. Over the years, we have compiled research on how our clients most consistently use our tool. From this information, we created the auto mode. So let's take a look. With auto, everything is streamlined, simplified, and intuitive. The ribbon itself leads you from step to step. Once you move through the 3 steps of brainstorming, opt for either a simple thumbs up, thumbs down voting, or let the tool take you to our more complex voting profiles. And finally, easily view results. Auto is easy and comprehensive. However, at FacilitatePro, we believe in putting the power in your hands. For every standard meeting, we want to allow you to navigate with the exceptions. That is where manual mode comes in. As you can see, you immediately have access to multiple permutations and specifications for whatever your needs may be. If you hover over the topic modes, a description of that mode will appear. Scroll through the topic mode pull-down to see all of your topic options. Click on Settings for access to all of our customizable features. Here you can adjust group settings. For example, depending on if you wish your topic to be anonymous or participant names to be attributed, just select or deselect the attribution button. If you would like participants to be able to add comments, check the Allow Builds button. Facilitators can adjust their personal settings by selecting the Adjust My Settings option. After saving your settings, you can use them simply by clicking the button which says Use My Settings. When you would like to see what the group is seeing, click back to Use Group Settings. Now you are completely in charge. Whether you want to quickly jump into a meeting with ease and efficiency, or to prepare a more complex meeting to fit your team's unique needs, FacilitatePro has the tools to help you brainstorm, evaluate, and decide. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. Happy brainstorming!